Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. I'm Brene and this is Voguish Beauty. So today is going to be an interesting segment for you guys. I'm going to be vlogging my first kayaking experience. As you guys know, I cannot swim. Also, I'm supposed to be paddleboarding. I don't even know what paddleboarding is. And I cannot swim, but Bailey has assured me that she has a life jacket for me, and if I do fall, she will save me. But I am excited. This is my bathing suit that I'm going to be wearing today. Also, be sure to like and subscribe because I have a bathing suit haul coming for you guys. So make sure you guys stay tuned and keep watching for this probably hilarious experience. What are you doing? This is my first pool adventure of the summer, and I can't swim, so I'm sitting.
You can stand.
No. The sitting is nice. We're supposed to be going kayaking today.
We're still going. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm filming. Oh. This is like a nice little snippet. I'm not going out there then. The sun is better over here. I don't know. It's just going. Okay. So, no, I wasn't filming the whole time. Okay, guys. So the sun has gone down. And I don't know if we're going kayaking anymore.
Oh, no. It's about to storm. Do you not see that right there?
It's storming.
That's all rain coming this way.
Oh my gosh.
Huh? I don't see.
Where? Over there. Like, look on the river. It's rain coming. I don't see it.
I don't know what she's talking about. Do you guys see anything? Because I don't. I think she's bullshitting everybody.
Yeah, same.
She's a bullshitter. You can't trust a Capricorn. Well, you can't trust a Capricorn that is on a cusp with Sagittarius.
Why not? Why? Okay, so why not? Why can Aquarius and Capricorns not be together?
Aquarius and Capricorns cannot be together because these two right here.
Well, Capricorns, they're bossy and they like to tell you what to do. And Aquarius, we're free spirit and we have our own free will and we tell ourselves what to do. We're the boss of our own selves. You know what I'm saying?
Capricorns don't tell you what to do. They more so just want to make sure you're in check.
No,
so you can do what's best for you. They, I think we're good.
I feel like maybe some of them are good.
You're very whole.
Very whole. Some, and then y'all don't care about. Let's talk about some feelings.
Okay.
Y'all don't take situations serious. Y'all laugh when it's time to be serious, like right now. See, exactly.
See, when we
all
get
giggles.
awkward, we laugh.
What is
I'm
awkward?
uncomfortable because
Why are you uncomfortable?
I tell her that all the time.
It doesn't matter if someone is telling you how they feel. You
We're
don't
telling
laugh.
you how we come back.
We're on camera. You just
if someone's okay, so if I'm trying not to make myself feel uncomfortable, because at the end of the day, I come first.
But if I'm telling you my feelings and I obviously seem upset, I don't think laughing is gonna make the matter even
It
better.
makes it better
It
for
doesn't.
me.
Or for us as a whole, because you decided to make that decision. So since you want to make that decision by yourself, you can be by yourself.
Or
See, this is exactly why I queried communication.
when there's issues.
They have great communication.
They have great communication. I wonder what their signs are.
And so Capricorns, do you guys think you have any toxic traits?
We
Just be
love
honest.
too hard.
We love too hard. And we see potential too much.
Oh my
I think
God.
every sign can see potential. I think I see potential too much. I think I give too many chances sometimes. I mean,
Yes. Actually, no, I don't give that many
everybody's
chances. You get 2 chances, you fuck up, then you're gone.
it's really more so. Don't tell me no, I'm sorry. I don't want to hear none of that. Okay.
Sometimes you're not. People aren't sorry.
Well,
The sun is back out.
I mean,
Talking about a storm is coming.
so you guys don't think you have any toxic traits? Oh, other than you love too hard?
Let's see.
Individually, your own individual, and then you say your own individual.
I don't really think I have any bad qualities.
See, someone told me that the other day, and I was like,
I really no.
Yeah.
but someone said that, you know, like if I'm talking about myself, why would I say that I personally have any toxic traits?
Okay, I'm really trying to
anything
think.
about myself. I would say it than somebody else.
What
say it.
toxic
That's what I'm saying.
traits
So
do I have?
I really don't. Like when
What
there's flaws that are
toxic
pointed out to me,
traits
like
do
I can
I
admit
think
them
I have
and
any
fix
toxic
them, but
traits?
I don't think overall that I have anything like in general.
What is a toxic thing about me?
About myself.
I don't know. I don't think I'm
Something wrong with me,
toxic.
I wasn't raised like that.
Something toxic about me.
I have a tendency to get upset. I'll just say that.
I
Jump
am.
levels pretty quick.
I can conjure up ideas.
Oh, what do you mean?
I can convince myself that you're doing something, and I'll believe it. I'll believe it too. Like I'll be like, oh, who is that? And I'll be like, who's who? And I'll be like, yep.
You went on a date with them?
I'll be like, you went on a date with them? You didn't answer your phone because so and so. And they'll be like, what? I think Aquarius. Let me think. I don't have too much. I talked to one Aquarius, and that just was
Not really what?
that was a flop. Cause you know,
Y'all are wishy-washy.
wait,
Hell.
oh
No,
my
we're
god,
not.
Yes, you are.
We're not.
wishy-washy.
It's hard for us to say what we need to say.
Yeah.
But I feel like once we get it off our chest, and once we like really mean that shit, like we start acting accordingly. Like we act how we mean, like, and we stick to that.
I know. Well, I would never date
There
an
might be
Aquarius.
temptation time when we're
can't.
tempted, but I think they mean what they say. And when their mind is made up, their mind is made up. And that's all.
Well, guys, I'm sorry that we will not be going kayaking today. It looks like it's about to storm. What? I do check. So it looks like we are not going kayaking today. It looks like it's about to storm. But today was also an adventure somehow because I actually got in a pool and I can't swim. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching this. Be sure to like and subscribe, and most importantly, have a Voguish day, beauties.